Hi all, welcome back to systemverilog sessions. In this session, I'm going to discuss unique keyword in constraints. So, as the name suggests, in order to get the unique values for the variable or array, we can use the keyword unique. A unique constraint is useful to generate the unique values for variables and elements in an array. Array in the sense, we can use the fixed array or associative array or dynamic array. Also, it can apply for queue. Queues also we can use the unique keyword so that we can generate the unique values in the array or for the variable. So the syntax is constraint name, and the keyword unique we will use. Unique keyword we have to use, and one more thing is you have to remember that always we need to use the curly braces. Inside the curly braces only we need to specify the array name or variable name. Okay, so this is the syntax. Now we will see the example. So here I have a enum type variable. It is type def. That means I can give the new name for the enum variable. So enum has 4 elements, vlsi, that is my channel name. Okay, so class sequence item. Inside the class I'm using all the 3 arrays: static array, dynamic array and associative array. So also I'm using the one variable. Okay, that means rand I'm using 4 variables here: value 1, value 2, value 3 and value 4. I'm giving the new name for the enum type. Okay, scale is the new name for this scale e type. Okay, enum type. So this the first constraint is for static array. Unique keyword I'm using, and I'm specifying the variable name. I told you that inside the curly braces we need to specify the variable name or array name. So this is my static array name, so that we can get the unique values in the static array. So static array means the size will be fixed right throughout the simulation, so no need to give the size later, so it will be fixed whenever we are declaring it. But for dynamic array we need to specify the size later, right? When we are using the dynamic array, that time we can specify the size. So how we will specify the size? By using dot size method. Whenever we are giving the size for the associative array or the dynamic array, we will use the dot size method. Okay, so unique, this is the dynamic array name, and array underscore d dot size is equals to 5. So remember that always we need to use the double assignment operator when we are assigning values. When we are here we are not comparing it, we are assigning the values, right? So two assignment operators we need to use, then only it will be valid, then only you will not get the error. Okay, so this is for dynamic array. And for associative array I'm using the keyword unique and associative array name, and the size is scale dot num. That means here we have enum, right? Enum has 4 elements, so dot num means it will return the number of elements which is present in the enum. So 4 it will assign to the associative array size. And this last constraint is for the variables. I have taken 4 variables, right? 1 2 3 4. For all these variables it will generate the unique values. That means different values. The value will not be repeated in value 1 or value 2 or value 3. So all the values are unique. And inside the module I'm instantiating it, and I'm creating the object for the class type variable item, and here I'm repeating for 3 times the randomization, and I'm printing the 4 variables and static array, dynamic array. First I will run the code. We will see the result. So this one is for variables. 4 variables we have, right? Here you can see 7 6 4 1, all are unique, right? Not the same values. We are getting the different values for all the 4 variables. And this is for static array. Static array, we have the static array size is 5, right? And we are getting the unique values 4 6 14 10 7 1. And for dynamic array 8 5 3 9 13. See, 5 size is created. And for associative array, you can see associative array means index type. Our index type is enum type, right? Here you can see while I am declaring, here the index type is scale underscore e, that means enum type. So the index is vlsi, and I'm getting the unique values. And again this is the second time randomization 6705, and you can see here all are unique values. And again this is for third randomization 2751. No two values are matching, right? All are unique only, all are different. This is the use of unique keyword. Whenever we want to generate the unique values for a set of variables or the array elements, or if you want to get the unique values for the elements of an array, that time you can use the keyword unique. Okay.